So I'm up at the location of the Garda station where Dorney Court was, and some of these fine trees even date back to the estate, especially this big one up here. It's hundreds of years old, so that goes right back. So the house itself was demolished in 1984. I don't know how long it was unoccupied for. Maybe I'll try and get some information on that. And then these houses would have been built. I said hundreds of these houses, right down to the alignment. So we're walking up to where the apartments are beside the bridge, Dublin Road Bridge, which was blown up during the Civil War. So I've done numerous videos there before, but these big boulders that are the abutments, and then the new type of concrete they would have used in 100 years ago, 1923. So yeah, we'll have a look up here now. So yeah, New Year's Eve, of course the last train was New Year's Eve. Sadly, just a comment on that, sadly it wasn't a diesel. That was a missed opportunity, methinks. And which it should have been a diesel when you think about it. So here we have the bridge, the apartments, and it's now like a dedicated walkway around here. Mulch underfoot. Dedicated graffiti area as well, by the looks of it. And the local artists, beginning with P. Anyway, so I've done videos in here before. People are always a bit funny when you're walking around here because it's private property. So, but they're probably oblivious to the fact that it was once a railway line went through their property. So there you go. It's kind of fenced off there for some reason, whatever's happening. So the double track line would have come through here, the line to Bray, and then the line into the city centre. Hard to believe a railway line, a main line, was here one time. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Careful underfoot if you're walking around here. Yeah, you can see the brickwork there and the precast. This wall would have been put up, I think, in the 80s. Well, actually, we can go down to the abutment. This is interesting. I never saw this before. There we go. A different perspective. Here's the wall, dates back to 1850s, and the train, steam, drum trains on diesel, and then steam again, but they were lifting trains at that stage. But you can see the big boulders there, quite sizable, and precast concrete, and the top of the Dublin Road Bridge there, whole lot was blown up. There you go.